Hi folks, welcome to another tutorial on reporting student learning and achievement with the new curriculum for Edmonton Catholic Schools. In today's video, we will explore how to write term comments for this new curriculum reporting style. Because teachers are not relying on PowerTeacher Pro for real-time reporting for families, we can now focus on creating overall summary comments to reflect learning and progress to date. These comments will be in the homeroom section and must be entered at least twice a year for January and for June. The comment should include the following information: strengths, areas of growth, next steps, where applicable, division-created comments that reflect special education or English as an additional language programming considerations, and where applicable, information about a change in school or class or an enrollment date if it is other than the first day of school. So for an example comment here, we can see that we can include all of this information in 3 sentences. So first, we have a comment about strengths. Nolan has demonstrated his comfort and understanding in reading for understanding, how photosynthesis helps make food for plants, and working with multiplication through word problems. Notice how this covers multiple subjects because we're making one term comment per term for each child. The next sentence would be about growth and next steps. He is working towards editing his work for proper conventions, specifically commas and quotation marks, and the use of an editing checklist has allowed him to see what elements of the writing process he needs to address with more attention. Finally, accommodations for Nolan. Nolan currently has seen success with access to the following accommodations to help him in his learning journey, such as more time for assignment completion and a reduced workload. In January and then in June, this is what the report card will look like. Notice how it doesn't look that different than the original report card that we had last year, except for that now we will have the homeroom summary comment right there at the top. Learner skills will be there. Please see our Learner Skills 2022 video. And then old curriculum will be reflected by reporting standards, and new curriculum will be reflected by the reporting of every single outcome in that new curriculum. That's it for today, everyone. If you have any questions at all, please visit our SharePoint site or call your school's assessment and reporting consultant at Learning Services. I'm Jennifer, and I'm happy to have walked you through this process today. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.